हेलो एवरीवन। कहते हैं कि लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज नरेंद्र यादव। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच you very important lesson which is very helpful for spoken English. And if you are very weak in English, then you came here right place. So if you came to watch my video first time, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. In this video, I am going to teach you about how to use was and where with there. So this video is going to be very helpful for all of you. So let's start. So students, let me tell you first what is there. And right here there. So there is what? So there is in English grammar we call it there is contradictory. Okay. So there are some sentence and now I am going to teach you how to speak in English all the sentence. So our first sentence is एक लड़का था. So एक लड़का था, how we can speak in English? तो एक लड़का था, some students will say like that. मतलब एक मतलब ए, लड़का means boy, and था मतलब was, just like a boy was, otherwise a was boy. If you are like that and if you will speak like that, then your English is very weak. So you need to improve your English. Is it clear, student? So एक लड़का था, ये जितने टाइप के सेंटेंस होता है इसमें हम लोग देयर का प्रयोग करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट. सो एक लड़का था, तो वी शुड स्टार्ट विद देयर. एक लड़का था, दैट मीन्स देयर एंड था means what? Tha means it is talking about past tense. So when we will talk about past tense, whenever we will talk about past tense, then we should use was and were. And first of all, I am going to tell you was, just like we have two words. First is was, and another one is were. We read it were, W-E-R-E. If you will read like this, where, then it will be wrong. So we should read like this, were. Okay, this is correct. So you should keep remember. So there and there was एक लड़का था, there was a boy. There was a boy. It means what? एक लड़का था. Let's break down this sentence. एक लड़का था, एक लड़का. तो इस टाइप के सेंटेंस को हम लोग कैसे बनाते हैं इंग्लिश में बच्चों? एक लड़का है या एक लड़का था. एक लड़का है तो there is a boy. एक लड़का था, there was a boy. बेसिकली आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हियर, वाज का हम लोग प्रयोग कब करते हैं और वेयर का प्रयोग कब करते हैं. तो जब वाज का हम लोग प्रयोग करते हैं सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ और वेयर का प्रयोग करते हैं प्लूरल नाउन के साथ, यानी कि प्लूरल नंबर के साथ. तो ये सिंगुलर और प्लूरल में आप लोगों को कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है. यू हैव नो एनी कंफ्यूजन बिटवीन सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल. लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल अगेन. सिंगुलर नाउन मीन्स व्हेन वी विल टॉक अबाउट especially one person, things, then it will be singular. And plural means what? Plural means when we will talk about minimum two or more than two number or things, then it will be in plural section. Okay, plural noun. So our next sentence is, another sentence is लड़के थे. तो लड़के थे, how we can say in English? तो लड़के थे हाउ वी कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश? दैट मीन्स देयर का तो प्रयोग हमेशा करेंगे इस टाइप के सेंटेंस में. लड़के थे, देयर. यहाँ पे देखो स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे पहले सेंटेंस में क्या था? पहले सेंटेंस में था एक लड़का था. दैट मीन्स इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट वन बॉय, ओनली वन बॉय. एंड दिस अनदर सेंटेंस इज इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट टू, मतलब लड़के थे. दैट मीन्स मेनी बॉयज. इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट मेनी बॉयज. सो we should use here were. Okay, so there were boys. Is it clear, student? So there were boys. Is it clear, student? Now I am going to talk about another sentence. Our another sentence is वहाँ चार लड़के थे. So in this sentence you can understood also. In this sentence it is talking about plural number, मतलब plural noun, because there it is talking about four boys. So in this sentence we have to use were. Okay. तो वहाँ चार लड़के थे. How we can speak in English? चार लड़के थे. That means there were four boys. There were four boys. And वहाँ, here means यहाँ और there means वहाँ. Again there, boys, there means वहाँ, because it is talking about वहाँ, there. So is it clear? And now let's break down this sentence. There were boys there. तो यहाँ पे मैं where का प्रयोग यहाँ पे इसलिए लगाया हूँ क्योंकि it is talking about plural noun. That's why there has mentioned about four boys. That's why I use here where. एंड लास्ट में देयर का प्रयोग इसलिए किया हो क्योंकि ये सेंटेंस में बोल रहे हैं वहां, मतलब इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट फार अवे. दैट्स व्हाई यूज हियर देयर आल्सो. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अनदर सेंटेंस. आवर अनदर सेंटेंस इज पानी था. पानी था. हाउ वी कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश? पानी था. तो पानी था, दैट मींस इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट पास्ट टेंस. सो देयर पानी था. देयर वाज water. The clear student. Now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is वहाँ पानी था. How we can speak in English? पानी था, that means there. पानी था का इंग्लिश क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? There was water. There was water. That means वहाँ there was water. There was water इसका मतलब यहाँ तक सिर्फ हुआ. पानी था. There was water मतलब पानी था. और कहाँ पानी था? तो वहाँ पानी था. वहाँ means there. यहाँ means here. मतलब वहाँ it is talking about far away. तो there was वहाँ. There was water and again we should put there. Is it clear, student? And now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is एक लड़की थी. तो how we can speak in English? एक लड़की थी. It is also talking about past tense. So इसमें हम लोग was और were का प्रयोग करेंगे. एक लड़की थी. तो there it is talking about singular noun. So was का ही लगेगा प्रयोग. There एक लड़की थी. There was girl. Is it clear, student? Now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is एक बच्चा था. तो how we can speak in English? एक बच्चा था. तो एक बच्चा था. It is also talking about past tense. एक बच्चा था. There was a child. Let me tell you, student, child. What is meaning of this? Child means it is talking about singular noun. मतलब एक बच्चा. When we will talk about single बच्चा, single one बच्चा के means that means one child. Then child and the plural form of child is children. CHILDREN. Is it clear, student? And was का प्रयोग यहाँ पे हम लोग किया है क्योंकि it is talking about past tense. Now let me tell you about next sentence. Our next sentence is लड़के थे. तो how we can speak in English? लड़के थे. That means there. And it is talking about plural noun. So यहाँ पे where का प्रयोग करेंगे. There were boys. Is it clear, student? Let's break down this sentence. यहाँ पे where का प्रयोग हम लोग इसलिए किया है because it is talking about plural noun. That's why I use here where. And now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is दो लड़के थे. How we can speak in English? दो लड़के थे. That means it is talking about plural noun and it is talking about also past tense. So इसमें we should use where and. तो दो लड़के थे. तो first of all लड़के थे. तो how we can speak in English? There दो लड़के, दैट मीन्स प्लूरल, तो देयर वेयर दो लड़के, देयर वेयर टू boys. Let's break down this sentence. I use here where because it is talking about plural noun and two boys मतलब दो लड़के हैं, that's why I use here plural form of boys, plural form of boy. Okay, and now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is एक मंदिर था. It is talking about past tense and it is talking about also one temple, मतलब सिंगुलर नाउन के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. तो एक मंदिर था, दैट मीन्स देयर वाज अ temple. Is it clear, student? And now I am going to talk about our another sentence. Our another sentence is वहां एक मंदिर था. तो वहां एक मंदिर था. What we understood from this sentence? This sentence we understand. It is talking about past tense and after then it is talking about also singular noun. मतलब एक मंदिर, that means singular noun के बारे में बात किया जा रहा है. तो वहां एक मंदिर था, तो पहले हम लोग इसका बनाएंगे एक मंदिर था और फिर लास्ट में वहां का ऐड कर देंगे देयर. तो एक मंदिर था. How we can speak in English? There was a temple. वहां temple there, again there. Let's break down this sentence. There was. I use here was because it is talking about past tense and after then it is talking from this sentence we understood it is talking about one temple. That's why I use here a temple and after then where. Temple is where? Temple is located where? So temple is located there, wahan. That means temple is far away from us. It is not near to us. That's why I use here extra there. And now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is वहां एक स्कूल था. वहां एक स्कूल था का हम लोग क्या बनाएंगे बच्चों? देयर एक स्कूल था, देयर वाज. एक स्कूल था, देयर वाज देयर वाज अ स्कूल. वहां एक स्कूल था, देयर वाज अ स्कूल देयर. Is it clear, student? So let's break down this sentence. There, I use here was after there because it is talking about past tense and after then it is talking about singular noun also. That means singular noun one school. It is talking about this sentence. It is talking about one school. That's why I use here a school. And after then there. That means it is talking about wahan. School is not very near to us. School is little bit far away from us. Okay. And गायें थी. How we can speak in English? Let me tell you. It is talking about गायें थी. That means plural noun. बहुत सारे गायों के बारे में बात किया जा रहा है. It is talking about many cows. So we should use were. Okay. And after that it is talking about past tense also. So गायें थी. How we can speak in English? There were cows. Let's break down this sentence. तो there के बाद हम लोग we use here where because it is talking about past tense and also it is talking about plural noun. That's why I use here where. If it is not talking about plural noun and if it is talking about singular noun, then we have to use here was. Okay. And let's talk about our another sentence. Our another sentence is वहां गायें थी. How we can speak? गायें थी. That means there. That means there were cows there. So let's break down this sentence. तो there के बाद हम लोग where लगाए हैं क्योंकि it is talking about past tense and after then यहाँ पे हम लोग cause लगाए हैं क्योंकि because it is talking about plural noun. That's why where also and after then there because that cause are not near to us. It is little bit far away from us. That's why I use there also. And now I'm going to talk about our last sentence, and it is the last sentence of this class. एक कुत्ता था. So how we can speak in English? एक कुत्ता था. That means there was a dog. एक कुत्ता था. How we can speak in English? एक कुत्ता था. That means there was a dog. एक कुत्ता था. There was a dog. Let's break down this sentence. There के बाद हम लोग was लगाए हैं. We use here was because it is in past tense. It is talking about past tense, and as well as it is talking about singular noun. That's why I use here was and singular noun of dog. So this is the last question of our class, and now I'm going to end this class, and I hope you really enjoyed this video and you have learned lots of things from this video. And if you really enjoy this video, then do like, share and subscribe all my video, and subscribe my channel also. And if you really want to join with me, then follow my all the social media account, and then you can connect with me and you can join Telegram channel also. And thanks for watching this video. We will meet again. See you later and take care.